Narayan Rane's induction into the Union Cabinet is being viewed as an unexpected rise for the veteran politician after his rise and fall in Maharashtra politics. It signals the BJP's intent to strengthen its base in the coastal Konkan region and its push for a political leader who can directly take on Uddhav Thackeray.
मैं नारायण तातू राणे ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि
Narayan Rane's induction into the Union Cabinet is significant given his bitter rivalry and history with Shiv Sena. The BJP's messaging is clear. It is ready to take on the Mahavikas Aghadi government. Rane, who started his career with Shiv Sena, went on to become the Chief Minister of Maharashtra in 1999 and fell out with the Shiv Sena in 2005 after Uddhav Thackeray's rise. He soon joined the Congress and quit after 12 years. He formed his own parties, Maharashtra Swabhiman Paksh, in 2017, and in 2019 he formally joined the BJP, winding his own party. Rane lost his Vidhan Sabha seat in 2014 and his son Nilesh Rane also lost his Ratnagiri Lok Sabha seat twice, in 2014 and 2019. But his other son Nitesh Rane is currently an MLA in Maharashtra Assembly. Rane was accused of money laundering in a real estate project, as well as he was probed by the then BJP Sena government into a case involving denotification of industries land. Rane's clout in the Konkan region, a stronghold of Shiv Sena, but a region where the BJP has been historically weak. Rane is also an arch-rival of Uddhav Thackeray and one of the staunchest critics of Shiv Sena. With local body elections due next year, the BJP hopes to consolidate its position using Rane, especially in Sena strongholds Mumbai and Thane.
ते महाराष्ट्राचे मुख्यमंत्री होते, अनेकदा मंत्री होते, अनेक पद त्यांनी सांभाळलेली आहेत, पण त्यांना आता लघु आणि सूक्ष्म खात्याचं मंत्रिपद दिलेलं आहे. शिवसेनेला फटका बसण्यासाठी जर त्यांना मंत्रिपद दिला असेल तर तो कॅबिनेटचा अपमान आहे मोदींच्या. मला असं वाटतं त्यांना देशाचं काम करण्यासाठी मंत्रिपद दिलं जातं.
In the previous Congress NCP government, Rane was the chairman of the committee constituted to give reservation to Marathas, something else the BJP can use to gain support. With Rane's induction, the BJP hopes to strengthen its base in Konkan and also gain support of Marathas. Also, the BJP signals its intention to push for a Neta who can take on the Thackerays directly. In Mumbai with camera person Ashok Mahadik, this is Purva Chitnis for NDTV.